name is Henrik Riel. I'm a physiotherapist and I work as a postdoctoral researcher at Aalborg University in Denmark and as an assistant lecturer at the physio department of the University College of Northern Denmark. I'll be teaching on a course called Managing Plantar Heel Pain in Practice this October in Dubai. Teaching will be a mix of lectures, practical assignments and case-based group work. The overall objective is that you should be more confident on deciding whether this is plantar heel pain, plantar fasciopathy or any other condition that may give the patient pain under the heel, and also be more confident in deciding on which treatment is the best possible treatment for the patient sitting in front of you. So join us for the course on plantar heel pain this October in Dubai, United Arab Emirates.